ay nasa serbisyo na may dangal at may katarungan. At a time when our nation faces many challenges that shake our people's trust in our institutions, your stories once again give us reason to believe in the goodness of our people. They remind us that integrity and excellence must be at the heart of the work that we all do. And so we confer these awards at a time when we also confront a difficult question, one that is not lost on any of us. Mapagkakatiwalaan ba ang pamahalaan? And to that I say, look at these men and women. In their service, you will find your answer. Because of them, we are reminded that hope is never lost, that integrity lives in our institutions, that honor still defines what it means to be a Filipino. Bawat tapat na guro, sundalo at pulis ay isang tagumpay laban sa katiwalian at pangungutya na sumasalot sa ating bansa. Kasama po kayo sa aming inspirasyon upang magsumikap na itama ang mga nagkagawi ang mali sa gobyerno. Patuloy tayo sa paglilinis ng hanay ng pamahalaan upang matiyak na ang bawat opisyal, bawat lingkod bayan ay karapat-dapat sa tiwalang ibinibigay nila sa kanila ng taong bayan. Hindi madali ang laban na ito. Marami pa tayong haharapin. Marami pa tayong pagdadaanan. It will be hard, and sometimes it will be painful, but it will be worth it because we are fighting for what we are fighting for is a country that our children will inherit, that a nation that they can be proud of, that they can be proud to say, I am free.